Ice Milk Popsicle is a refreshing cold dessert with chunks of fruits and Anko sweet red bean paste. Unlike rich and creamy ice cream, this treat has a lighter, icier texture with a well-balanced blend of sweetness and tartness. It's the perfect dessert for Japan's hot and humid summer. First, mix gelatin with water and let it sit for 5 minutes. In a small pot, combine milk, condensed milk, and sugar and warm until the sugar dissolves. Do not let it boil. Add the gelatin and stir until completely melted. Let cool to room temperature. Next, we cut the fruits into bite-sized pieces. You can use fresh or canned fruits of choice. We are using strawberry, canned pineapple pieces, and fresh orange today. Also, we add homemade Anko red bean paste. In popsicle molds, place cut fruits and red bean paste and gently pour the milk mixture into the molds and freeze for at least 8 hours. These popsicles are so easy and fun to make, light and icy with refreshing fruit and a hint of sweetness from red bean paste. We hope you give this a try this summer.
美味しい。美味しいね。